I think David showing shame into the kind of like Chris Millington saying, you've won the FA Trophy, thoughts on the game?
Say that again.
You've won the FA Trophy, thoughts on the game?
Well, I guess first thing we've got to say is well done to Gateshead in terms of their approach and how they played, especially facing adversity in terms of the number of players they had missing and the number of players they had cut tight. Listen, we had our own issues in some respects with that, but I think Gateshead's were a little bit more severe. So, the fact they built into the game and got stronger as the second half went on, I think is a real credit to them. Our game plan was largely around making sure that up to sort of 60 minutes that we knew they would have good possession. We wanted to nick it, we wanted to counter-attack, we wanted to force mistakes with their build-up play. I think we did that for the first half. The second half we maybe didn't have as much possession as we would have wanted to have, but the lads managed the game incredibly well and managed the result. So certain people did fantastically well, showed what heroes they are for Halifax Town. So buzzing.
We've said it a couple of times, it's been a difficult year, but I mean, what a way to cap it off.
Yeah, it has, and listen, it's been a fantastic year as well, and FA Trophy aside, there's lots of really good things that have come out of the difficulties we've faced this season. I've said it before, and I don't repeat myself, but the fact that we've got so many players now, we've got a real solid season under the belt, playing first team football at National League level, which is challenging in its own way. They've got a hunger, they've got a desire, they've got a way of playing. We want to get better when we've got the ball, for sure, and we will do. But there's a fantastic foundation, not only in a squad sense, but also in a style of football as well that we can build off. So the season as a whole hasn't been what we wanted it to be, but there were some fantastic positives to take out of it. And going away as FA Trophy winners is phenomenal. It's fantastic.
And of course, it's Jamie Cook getting his name in the history. Maybe not a classical, but certainly a result of all the hard work you've been doing.
Yeah, he won't thank me for this, will he? But it's a Jamie Cook goal, isn't it? He scored a couple of them this season by being a pest in the opposition box and just making something out of nothing. So yeah, listen, if he manages to score 15 or 20 of those a season, I ain't going to be complaining. But in all seriousness, he deserves the reward because he's not an ounce of bother. He turns up, he works hard, he's desperate to do well for the football club, which is important. But he's also desperate to learn and get better. He's coachable, and he's incredibly hungry to succeed. So listen, there's loads of him that we can be. There's loads of them that we can say similar things about. But today, Jamie Cook's the one who made the take.
Of course, obviously in the second half of the league, the defending, maybe a few narrow moments, but overall some great defending. Just our second ever FA Trophy win.
Yeah, I mean, listen, it's the third clean sheet we've had against a very good Gateshead team this season, and they are a very good team. Going forward and the way they move you about is frightening at times. So to get another clean sheet, Sam's had to make a couple of saves, but nothing particularly amazing. So I completely forgot what you asked me, but I'm just delighted that we managed to get the result.
Because I'm sure you'll have a few days off to enjoy the win, and then the hard work starts for next season.
Yeah, probably not. I don't really know how to have days off. I'm going to have to find a way to separate myself from my phone. So I think it'll probably be a busy week this week, and then maybe the following week we'll get a bit of time to put nothing and take it easy. And maybe that's when the true sense of what we've achieved today will sink in, because at the moment I don't really know what's going on.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thanks to you.